Hello writers! I'm Mrs. Card and I'll be your teacher in AOL Writing Assessment Workshop. I'm very excited to meet each one of you. You might not feel the same way and I totally understand it. My younger son JR, who loves math and computer programming, felt the same way when he was your age. And I literally dragged him to attend my writing classes to prepare him for TJ. Oh, he hated writing and he loves math and he loves Mr. Renze. Well, he graduated with flying colors from TJ, then went to Stanford University, and he's now an adult working as a software engineer in Riot Games in Los Angeles. And guess what? When he finished my class, those writing drafts that he did in my writing classes are the same drafts that he submitted for his college essay applications. Yes, he ended up liking writing and liking me at the end of the class. Now, let me focus on about equipping you, okay? So I will do to you what I did to my sons. So actually, my eldest son, Aldrin, loves writing and science, so I just slightly drag him, but not as much as JR. So let me start by telling you that half the load in this class is done if you do the brainstorming ahead of time. And you might be thinking, ahead of time? Well, did you mean homework, Mrs. Card? Yes, homework. But it's all before our class start, but it's all for your own good. Okay, so let me walk you through it. Okay. Hi, writers. So before I show you your homework or your background student form, let me reiterate to you the importance of brainstorming and why we need to do it. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, so my screen is split into two. One is the AOL Writing Assessment Rubric. That's the rubric that the AOL Admissions Committee will be using. And I got it from here on the right side. Well, right on the other side, you'll see Academies of Loudoun Admissions 2020. This was released August 11th, 2020. And on the second page, you will see that, two reviewers would score each student's response using a rubric developed to assess motivation, persistence, problem solving, and creativity. And I just transferred it into our PowerPoint to make it visually appealing for you, and so in that way you can easily remember it. So these are the big things: motivation, persistence, problem solving, and creativity. Okay, so you want that you want to highlight that in your essay. You will only write one essay. You will have two reviewers, and the third reviewer will come in if there's a lot of gap with those two reviewers. Okay.